Now you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I cook it.
Are you cook this, sir?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, man, the nigga put in the work, and when he just start up, everybody I look down upon him like, say, him then I go make it. You see me? Real youth know what you want. Remember when he just start out, everybody a laugh of time. Everybody in the kitchen a laugh of time.
Yeah, so thanks to everybody who participated in the competition. The dishes was amazing. Christmas dinner. You get me? So there only can be one winner. So before we announce the winner, but we just look back on the dish them real quick. Guys, the moment of truth, the moment that you guys have been waiting for. Who is going to be crowned the Jamaican next Master Chef? In third place with 24 points, people, is dish number 18. Give them a round of applause over there. And without further ado, in second place, guys, is dish number when I said dish number 21 with 30 points. And the winner, people, the winner is, who is the winner? Is a dish, the best dish. You guys vote. The best dish is, drum roll please. Give me a little drum roll, please. Give me a little drum roll. Dish number 23 with 74 points. So I just want to take the time out to thanks to everybody that participated in this competition. The next competition will be, people, Mother's Day. So now get on a thing together and get ready for Mother's Day. Jamaican Master Chef. The price are gonna be different this time. So now just remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification so you can know where the price are gonna be. I want to follow my social media. Life of a Jamaican Chef. Instagram. Life of a Jamaican Chef. Facebook. Over TikTok. Life of a Jamaican Chef, people. And as again we are saying, thanks for who participate in the competition. Until the next competition, people, Peace. One love. One love, two love, three love, four love, whole heap of love, people.